Same designer like in New York?
You're talking about the what?
Designer.
The designer? Yes. Yes. It's Ian Traeger is actually the designer for all of our hotels.
And also like owner.
Yeah, he's the visionary for the brand.
Oh, visionary.
Yeah. Then Mr. Marriott, of course, provides us exposure and service and manage. You'll see similarities in the design in all the hotels around the globe.
Mm-hmm.
But here in Miami, we focus more on the lighter colors, as you can see. Lots of white, the oak wood, lighter colors as well. More natural lighting inside the rooms to make them more spacious and more relaxing.
Сейчас. We go with this side. Just.
To go out.
Сейчас.
I'll open it, baby. Careful where you step down.